quick update on these pieces for the sensor. I just finished machining. It's 11:30, 28, whatever. So those holes for the sensor pins are 0.8 millimeters. It's about, I don't know, 32 thousandths of an inch or something like that. 1/32 basically. See, this particular one, the bigger holes are off center. Somehow this plastic thing just moved. This is in the middle. But I make sure the small holes are all in the middle. I may have done one wrong, but it will still work. Whoops. Anyway, so when the sensor right here, when it fits there, it sticks out just like this, and then the board will be over there, and I will silicone this. Well, I don't know, I'm not sure. Silicone will insulate it, so I will do something to keep, pot this in here, maybe expose it a little bit. Oh, look at that. The machining marks on plastic. Anyway, so these are done and they fit well into the only boom. If I have time this weekend, I'll do the booms, rest of the booms, 2 of the booms. Then I should be done and waiting. I'll be waiting for the board. So I got the op amps and the capacitors yesterday, I think, and I had to order these. I ordered 5 packs, like $20, made in Japan. Man, I got lucky. It wasn't saying that, so hold on. Come on, there we go. So these are the micro drills. This is all the way to, all the way to 0.3 millimeters. That thing is just really flimsy looking, but they're carbide, and if you can believe that, it's made in Japan. So all the best stuff is made in Japan. Yeah, so I've heard. Anyway, the thickest one is 1.2 millimeters, which is like, I don't know, 57 thousandths of an inch. So I use that one. It should be 0.8 at 5,000 RPM into plastic, which was fine. Anyway, just doing an update. This tedious part is done. Another tedious part is the boom, actually. But I finished the boom part. This, I've shown it before. Oh, I haven't shown this. Yeah, no. I just showed it in the simulation. So, yeah, these will go in here. I think the corners are still not. I may have to just take off these corners a little bit because they're too sharp, like I was explaining in the other one. But the test piece that first one I did terribly, I kind of cut the corners, rounded the corners over here, so it goes in just fine. And then I don't want to push it all the way. Well, what the hell? Okay, there we go. And the holes align. Hopefully some of these screwed up ones, it will still be fine. It's not gonna be terrible. It will still work. If I can find one. Come on, man, where's the screwed up one? Trying to find a screwed up one. That might be it. Yeah, see, it's to the left. The hole is not in the middle. That should still work. But these little tiny holes, they came out perfect. Anyway, so here's it with the sensor. Boom, it will go in here, and the board will be in here in this direction. So yeah, it's going. No, the bad thing is this is not stainless steel, so I'll have to paint it a couple times and make sure. Um, yeah, this was what I was talking about. This is I bought these 100 of them, roll pin, string pin. So at this end, that is supposed to be, you know, pointy, so I can stab it into the compost. So I put that. Those are 3/4 of an inch. It says probably, yeah, 1/8, 3/4. But this is high, so I had to actually push one side in and then machine the other side flat. So this you can see through. So there we go. This will have to be closed because this is almost closed circle. Come on now. But it's not a circle. Let's look at the other side. There we go. You see there's a break in there. It's springs. So yeah, it needs to be silicone or something. So that's it. There's 1, 2, 3, come on, 4, 5. Then this will be welded. All right, guys, have a good evening and have a good weekend, and see you soon.